How to fix Google Drive cannot upload file. First of all, try to use the private browsing rather than the native standard browsing. So go ahead and launch your choice of web browser on your device, then tap on this three-dotted menu icon on the top right corner, then tap on this new Incognito Tab option. Now once again tap on the search bar at the top, then type Drive. Now head to the official site and try to upload your file from the incognito mode. Or what you can also do is, first of all, make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, simply try to change your network to a stable one. Then, if you also have turned on any sorts of VPN services, you might want to turn it off. And also check if there is any update of the application. If you have one, you will find this update icon just like this. You simply have to tap on it to update the application and try to relaunch it. This should fix your problem.